Welcome to this video, guys. Let's see how we can install WhatsApp for desktop and how we can log in and use WhatsApp on our PC. First, search for WhatsApp. Okay, it's not web.whatsapp, it's WhatsApp. Download. I'll have the link in the description below, and you can just click the link from the description and you'll be taken here directly. And now you can click on this download button, and let's wait for the download to complete. So once this is done, just click on open file and the installer will open. So it has now started downloading of WhatsApp files. So let's wait till the download is complete. Once the installation and download is complete, something like this will pop up, or you can just click on this and this will open up, and just click on get started. And now you can just scan this QR from your phone. Let me just show it to you.
Check out our brand new awesome coding course. We've got t-shirts, hoodies, we've got stickers for laptops or notebooks, cups, bags, and a lot more.
WhatsApp
Get it today from the link below.
Click on the three dots on top right and click on link devices and click on link a device, and then just scan the QR code and you will be inside WhatsApp. So this is how you can set up WhatsApp on your phone. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. If you have some queries, you can check the link in the description, and it has shown what you need to do on your phone.